Tired of unwanted subscription charges eating away at your bank account? Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to cancel Stripe subscriptions, ensuring you or your customers avoid any unexpected billing. First, log into your Stripe dashboard using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the Customers tab in the left-hand navigation menu and click on it. This will take you to a list of all your customers. Now, find the customer whose subscription you want to cancel. You can easily use the search bar at the top to search by name or email address. Click on the customer's name to view their profile. Within the customer's profile, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Subscriptions tab to view all of their active and past subscriptions. Find the specific subscription you want to cancel. Next to that subscription, you should see an Options menu, often represented by 3 vertical dots or icon. Click on this Options menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Cancel Subscription. The confirmation window will pop up. Stripe will present you with options to cancel immediately or at the end of the current billing period. Choose the option that best suits your needs. After confirming your choice, the subscription status will update to cancel. Then that's it. You've successfully canceled a Stripe subscription. This ensures that no further charges will be made.